Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to find out if your email address is on the exposed list. So without further more delay, let's begin. So from the video headlines, you have most probably known what this topic is gonna be. So nowadays most of the people, they use online, and most probably they create email addresses in various websites. Say the most common and the popular is from the Gmail, that is from the Google itself. So nowadays there's lots of hackers out there, and they try phishing and cracking people's emails or passwords, so how to check or how to find out if your email address is on the exposed list? So for this, just open any web browser and just search this name, have I been found. So you can see the spelling, just see it and just search this on the Google search, and once you search this you can see its official website. So have I been found, just click on it to visit to this respective website. So you can see here. So what you need to do here, you can see here, just type your email address. Say I'll just give one email address and I'll just show you an example. What does it shows to you? So after typing your email address on this website, just click on this found, or you can just hit enter on your computer keyboard also. Wait for a few seconds. So you can see here below, it's being showing here, it is being found in the data breaches. That is mean my email address, even the passwords are being exposed in most of the 17. Maybe it's websites or maybe from the applications. So you can click on here data breaches to check the list of where your email and passwords are being exposed. So in this way you can find it out. So let us try some more email addresses. So just click back on the found. So here you can see no breach accounts. So good news, but still don't be too excited or too happy, because if still your email address is not on the list of the exposed list, still don't think that it's totally safe and secure, because hackers are out there all the time. So if you find data leakage or if you found your email address in the exposed list, then I will highly recommend some preventions what you can do to keep your email addresses totally safe. So for this, I will highly suggest you to do these 3 steps. On the first step, I will highly recommend to use the two-factor authentications. That is, say I will give you an example. Say you are using a Gmail applications, right? So you are already using a Gmail with the same email and the same password which is being exposed, but still don't need to worry if you have enabled the two-factor authentication. So what really two-factor authentications means on the common language, that means, suppose say I'm a hacker and you are a person whom I have exposed or hacked, then what I will do, that I will use your same email address and the same password which you are using right now. So I'll just try to log in on the Gmail applications or on the website too. Then once I try to log in by using your email and the password, then immediately one notifications will be sent to your original phone right now which you are using. Then unless and until you click on accept, that is you, then only that hacker will be unable to access your email address and its data. So this is the first method. you should definitely enable two-factor authentications. Nowadays most of the applications, even the websites, they offer such kind of facilities. By going, you can privacy or the security options, that is by going to the settings, you can enable these options. So if your email has a very sensitive data inside it, so I would highly recommend to use the two-factor authentications or enable it by going to the privacy or the settings options. So this is the first advice I will give you, and the second advice I will give you is adding a recovery email. So if you have two different emails or multi emails, then I will highly recommend to add a secondary or a recovery email to the primary email that you are using right now, because it may help you in recovering the hacked email address or the datas, because by using the secondary emails also you can recover back your exposed or hacked email address and datas. So this is the second advice I would like to give you. And the third advice I will highly recommend you, if the applications or the website provides you this kind of privacy or the protection facilities, that is adding your mobile number. So nowadays most of the people, they browse internet using their mobile phones, so I'll highly recommend to add your primary mobile number that you are using right now. So what happens when you try to log in back on your hacked account, then you can recover it back by getting a OTP, that is one-time password, on your respective added mobile number on your particular email addresses. So these are the three best advice I can give from my side. So you can find out if your email address is on the list of exposed data or exposed emails. So don't be panic if you see your email address is on the exposed list. Still, if you have enabled the three options which I have advised you, then I'm sure your data are totally safe and no need to panic too much. And still, if you are in a doubt that the hacker might hack again and he might steal your data, then you can change your password immediately depending upon your needs. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you are new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.